Does the majority audio Eversden really live up to the hype of a true portable companionship for music lovers? Well, that's what we're going to dive into today. The design and build, sound quality, battery life, ease of use, and then my conclusion. So starting off with the design and build, this little guy is designed to be fully waterproof. Yes, even in the shower. Now it's lightweight and compact and made for on-the-go use. And with its sturdy handle that makes it easy to carry, it's perfect for any adventure. But does it sound as good as it looks? Well, with the sound quality from a small radio, the Eversden does pack a surprising punch. With a rich sound, a clear display, and a strong FM and DAB signal.
It's just going to be the best night. The atmosphere is going to be lit, and I can't believe it's in London.
City getting ready to host the final of League of Legends Worlds for the first time. Some call it the Super Bowl of esports. Tens of thousands expected at the O2. Millions could watch it online.
It gives crisp audio without sacrificing volume. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity is smooth, letting you stream any music that you want on the go. Now, when it comes down to the battery life, it's very impressive. Running up to 15 hours on a single charge, which makes it a great option for traveling or camping trips where you don't have to worry about having to consistently recharge it. Now, when it comes to the ease of use, it has simple controls and a very user-friendly display. The Eversden interface is easy to navigate, setting your favorite stations in a breeze. And also switching between the Bluetooth and radio modes is also seamless. So if you're after a portable and waterproof radio with great sound and battery life, the majority audio Eversden could be your top contender. It is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, frequent travelers, or even just in your daily home use. So there is a link in the description where you can go and check this product out for yourself, look over some of the specs, and if it is perfect for you, head over and buy it. But that is everything about the Eversden. If there is any questions or concerns that you have, please leave them in the comments. And if you found this review helpful in any way, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Other than that, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.